Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video, I'll show you how to sew a linen grab dress. It has two layers at the front and with the right side dress being long and pointed at the hem. This is a shoulder strap dress with pleats at the waist and the pleats are on the right side of me. First, you need to print the pattern with 100% skill. Tape the pieces together matching the number and then extend the line drawing to the end of the pages. First, I fold the pleats and cut off the excess paper on the right front panel.
Let me say thank you for all this time, babe. I've been loving every time I could call you mine. I don't know why I'm being the one feeling stupid. I'm feeling stupid now. So now it's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies while the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. It's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies while the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. I'm gonna shut when you say what's on your mind. I can see the pain in your eyes. First I'm left, then I'm right.
Next, place the sewing pattern pieces on the right side of the fabric and use the pin to secure them together. Add seam allowance, 2 cm for the hem and 1 cm at the edges. Then cut the pattern pieces out. Use scissors to clip where the pleats are. Then fold the pleats. And sew it. Next is close the side dot of the left front.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me.
Use a small pieces 3 cm wide and 80 cm length to make the shoulder strap.
It won't leave. My friends say, get out.
Fold the fabric in half, wrong side out, and sew a straight line 1 cm from the edges. Then strap turn right out and press.
It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you want me. I try to work.
Next, matching the right sides together, then cut the facing of the front 2.5 cm wide and start at the armpit and work down to the hem. Clip the corners, then insert the shoulder strap in between the right front and the facing. And sew a straight line of 0.5 cm from the edge. Repeat for the left front panel.
Doctor says take some pills, but this is not how it's supposed.
Use scissors to press near the seam in the corners, taking care not to press through the seam. Then turn out and press.
Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just
Fold the facing under towards the wrong side and sew by hand.
another lie. Remember you want me. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's a word. I try to
And fold one more to the wrong side of the front and sew by machine.
oh, it doesn't work. I try to work.
Insert the waist strap at the waist. Making the waist strap is similar to making the shoulder strap. Mark the position of the side pocket on the back panels. With the wrong side together, sew the center back. And trim one side of the seam allowance to 3 mm. Then use the flat felt seam to finish the seam. Next, with the right sides together at the front and the back, insert the shoulder strap between the back and the facing. Next is sewing the side pocket. First, pin the pocket piece to the marked position. Right sides together and sew 1 cm from the edge of the fabric. Then use a flat felt seam to finish the seam. Next, with right sides together in the front and the back, sew the side seams. I'm going to make a hole in the waistline. This is for the waist strap to go through, and this hole is on the right side of the dress. Then use the flat felt seam to finish the side seam.
She got all the drugs she'll need tonight. Know that she won't die if she sneezes right. Never wanna talk, pleading all the fights. Wanna take a walk on the other side. Feeling really fly on her feet tonight. Got it something good, now she Jesus Christ. Creeping up on her like she way too high. I'm about to take a walk on the other side. If the people at the party look away.
Finally, fold the hem 2 times to the wrong side of the fabric and sew the hemline. And we finish it. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and learn something new. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the next video. Thank you so much and see you in the next time. Bye!